Good morning, my dears. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we will do amazing assignment 922 in our math textbook, chapter 1, numbers up to 1000. The first one, the numbers that forms pair are called dash numbers. So here they given one blank, that is those numbers are formed a pair. We have to choose the correct answer, write the correct answer. That numbers are called as. For example, we can take 2, we can share equally like 1 and 1. Yes, and we can take 4, we can equally share like 2 and 2. Those numbers are able to form a pairs. So these type of numbers are called as even numbers. Okay, that pair of numbers is called as even numbers. Next, the numbers that do not form pairs are called dash numbers. Okay, so for example, I am taking 3. We cannot share equally like 1, 1, 2, 2. We cannot share like we can able to share like 1 and 2. It is not equal. We cannot form the pairs. And one more example, 9. For example, we are share like 6, 3 or 4, 5, like we are sharing, but we don't we cannot form a pairs. So these type of numbers it is called as odd numbers. Okay, if you form the pairs, it is called as even numbers. We cannot form the pairs, it is called as odd numbers. Next, third one, an even number from the following is. Here they given some numbers. In that, what is the even number? It is the question. So if the number is called as even number, we have to check ones place. In the ones place, the digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. In the ones place, the digit is 1 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. If those digits are there, means it is an even number. Okay. Next, first one checking number 23. We have to choose the first ones place. In the ones place, the digit is 3. If the number is even number, the ones place should be 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. But here 3 it is there. So it is not a even number. Next one, 21. Here in the ones place, the digit is 1. If the even number, those are the digits in ones place. But it is not an even number. Again, 27 is there. In the ones place, the digit is 7. If the even number, the digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 should be in ones place. But here is 7. So it is not an even number. Next we will check the fourth one. Here is the 24. Again check the ones place. In the ones place, the digit is 4. Then rule of the even numbers. In the ones place, the digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Should be in ones place. It is an even number. So here the option is 4. 24 is an even number. Next, state true or false. Here the given statements. We have to choose it is true or false. First one is 25 is an even number. Now only I said if the ones place digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, means it is an even number. But here in the ones place, it is a number 25. Here it is in the ones place, the digit is 5. So it is not a even number. The statement A1 is false. Next one, 26 an even number. 26 is an even number. So let me check the ones place. In the ones place, the digit is 6. See here, 6 is there. In the ones place, the digit is 6. So it is an even number. The statement 2 is true. Next one, third one, 33 is an odd number. See here, I want to say one more thing. Here it is there, means it is the odd even numbers. Next, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Those digits are in ones place. It is called as odd numbers. See here in the ones place, the digit is 3. So the number is called as odd number. So statement 3 is true. Next one. Match the following. Fifth one is match the following. First one is 37. Second one is 28. Here the given options even or odd. Now let's set one rule for you. If the ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Those digits are there. It is an even number. Next, in the ones place 1, 3, 5, 7, 7 and 9. Those digits are there means it is an odd number. Now I think it's very easy to write 37. In the ones place digit, is 7. 7 is there means it is a odd number. See here, where is the option B? Next number is 28. Let me check the ones place digit. Ones, tens. In the ones place the digit is 8. So it is in even numbers. If the ones place the digit is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 is there means the number is called it as even number. So here it is the even number. 28 is the even number. Next, sixth question. Circle the even number and cross out the odd numbers from the following. See here they given some numbers. We have to choose. If the even number we have to circle it, and if the number is odd number we have to cross it. Next, first check the first one. 26. 26. In the ones place the digit is 6. In the ones place the digit is 6. So it is even number. We have to circle it. Next, 37. In the ones place the digit is 7. If the 7 it is there means it is odd number. So you have to cross it. Next one is 24. In the ones place the digit is 4. So if the 4 is there, it is an even number. So we have to circle it. Next one is 52. 52. 2 is in ones place. So 2 is in ones place. It means it is even number. We have to circle it. Next number is 20. 20 in ones place the digit is 0. So if the 0 is there in ones place, the number is called as even number. We have to circle it. Next one is 9. In the they given 9 only. If 9 is there in ones place, the number is called as odd number. Here 8 is there in the ones place. This is only 8. If the 8 is there in ones place, that number is called as here it is circle. Sorry, called as even number. Yes, my dears, I hope everyone understood.